My video guide is about getting rid of pop-up windows that are related to the website called inigusyou.fun. Keep in mind that this is a very deceptive resource currently attacking Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and many other popular browsers. However, the peculiarity of these pop-ups is that they mainly attack Windows computers. inigusyou.fun pop-ups try to force you into subscribing to its permanent push notifications. The pop-up indicates that you need to tap the Allow button to continue your browsing. On the other hand, when people agree with the proposal and click on that Allow button, this is the moment when the browser gets hijacked. It is hijacked with the feature of permanent push notifications. I have to admit that the feature of push notifications can be decent in many cases. It's the part of some commercial sites or news websites, but speaking about this resource, inigusyou.fun, it's absolutely malicious and it may extremely infect your computer. So if you have clicked on Allow, that was surely a mistake. You need to fix this issue as soon as possible and watch carefully how this can be done manually. So first thing to do is to go to the menu, click on Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, select Site Settings. Now in the Permissions area, click on Notifications and research the Allow area carefully. When you find any deceptive sites here in the list, get rid of them and delete even the malicious sites from the block area. I would also recommend to scan your Windows computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com, downloading the version for PC and checking your computer with this application. How to use Combo Cleaner for fixing your Windows computer and repairing your browser-related problems. After the program has been successfully downloaded and installed, click on its icon on the desktop. Then you may choose the preferred scan type, whether it is Quick Scan, Full System Scan or Custom Scan, and then click on Start Scan. But remember that some scan types are only available in the premium version of the program. So let's choose Quick Scan and click on Start Scan button. The program begins the scanning of our computer, and as you can clearly see, some suspicious items were already identified during the scan. After the scanning is successfully completed, the program will give us the detailed report about the condition of our Windows computer. So let's suppose that the scanning has been completed. Of course, in your particular case, the scanning would take a little bit longer. So let's assume that the scanning is over. So the program gives us the detailed report about threads found, and it shows what exact threads these are. For instance, it gives us this alert about some issues found with Google Chrome. This means that the program detected some problems with malicious sites involved in displaying web push notifications without your control. So consider upgrading to the premium version to get your Windows computer fully protected.